I've been back in the Maasai Mara for 2 weeks now, and most of my time has been spent exploring the Mara Triangle and, in particular, sinking my teeth into learning about the dynamics of the North clan of hyenas. Now, that's the clan that has the den site right up close to our camp. We have spent every single morning with them, and with the help of the students from the Michigan State University, we're really starting to get to know them. There are 8 cubs between the ages of 4 to 6 months, and there are 2 sets of brand new little ones, one of which belongs to the matriarch, whose name is Waffles. So as we settle down to enjoy the sunny days as the thunderstorms roll in, signaling the start of the rainy season here in the Maasai Mara, I'm looking forward to being able to share with you what I've discovered.